this?
Exactly.
Oh, I saw it. Some sort of vessel.
Jack, mission's almost offline.
I'm en route now.
Mission, we have an unidentified object impacting 17. It came down at coordinates sent by a scav beacon. My tech's en route now.
Tower, we're going offline soon, but drones are already mobile and executing. Have your tech stand down.
Copy. Jack, mission wants you to stand down. The drones will handle it.
That's a negative, Tower.
With 10 offline, we need our eyes on this. I want to know this site is secure.
Sally, my tech's concerned about the security of the site.
Tower, you have lost enough assets for today. Keep your tech out of there. Do you copy?
Copy. Come on now. Jack, command wants you to stand down. The drones will handle this.
I'm on site.
Jack, I don't have eyes on you. Command's offline.
I think it's one of ours. This thing is ancient. Looks pre-war.
The scabs brought this thing down, Jack.
There's no sign of scabs.
Technician, this is your control.
I'm ordering you to pull out and return to the tower immediately.
Touching down.